Greetings. A couple little updates here to the multiple select data validation sheet. One is just a UI improvement. I added some hover effects and some spacing between the buttons so they look nicer and they're more pleasing to use, I think. The second is that I added a reset checkbox selection, so boom, you don't have to manually deselect these. This is super helpful, especially if you have a long list of options there. And the third is just a public service announcement. If this is not working for you, if the sheet is not working, it's not filling in the current selection, it's likely that under advanced options, this is set to reject the input. I've seen this happen a lot with folks, and it could be defaulting to that. Just slip over here and do show a warning for the data validation rules for the column you're using this in. Hey, would you take a moment and like this video and subscribe to my channel? I would super appreciate it. Thanks so much for your time. You're awesome. Bye.